Hello there, my name is Hitan and today I'm going to show you how to hack Subway Surfer. So first, if you have Subway Surfer, take that game off. Take it off. Then go in Google, type in Subway Surfer, Surfers, coin hack New York. So press search. It might say Subway Surfer coin hack New York. Say there. Okay, after that, go and roll there, and it might say Subway Surfer New York cheat get unlimited coin and keys on Android veterans. So veterans, yeah. Click on here, and then scroll down, and then you just click on here, not anywhere else, only here, not here Provis version, not there. You do here, click here, then scroll down and click here, okay, again, like, and then you download that. Then you can download. You might say downloading. You might need to. It might take 1 minute, but I think it comes fast. It's going fast. So it's fun. It'll do like about 9999. But the wrong thing is that you need to buy everything you want. I'm gonna put in the description. I'm gonna put another video about how to make everything unlimited and get everything in the cheat. Even the double coins to make a double. You can. I'll put that in a video. Tomorrow. I think I might put it tomorrow. So you wait a bit. So it's nearly done. It's 5, 3, 2, 1, done. So you click on there. Click on install. You need to wait a bit. I'll come. Hurry. You need to wait because it's installing. You can then click on open. Don't worry about that. Yeah, then this will come. That's the front page of Subway Surfer. It's loading. It's gonna be quick. So here it comes. Just play a bit. They'll teach you. Just play. I just play. Just play, new fresh. So get out and then you come in the studio. Then look, it's done. 9999. And have fun. And I can buy anything now. I can buy anything. Now I can buy nearly everything. Look. I can even buy this. I can even buy this guy. I can even buy my favorite, this guy. He's my favorite. He's a Kung Fu Karate. And I am Bizzle, and you can buy nearly everything. And then you can just do anything. So, yeah, and have fun. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Have fun. Bye.